Okay, we're just heading up the house to the lights.
Man, Hilky no.
To the Soldier Boy video shoot. We do not promote Soldier Boy.
Are you on the camera? Can you untangle this now?
We do not.
Are you recording?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are recording, my friend.
This is wasting tape.
I think I got 15 minutes.
You got 15 minutes.
What the hell am I gonna record? We do not promote.
Me, Marcus Soldier Boy, and Will Rico. This gonna happen today. It's happening
This
today.
nigga is determined to start Soldier Boy.
I heard you came out with that Will Rico player. You want a battle, son? not the showstoppers.
You.
I want you in your Yums hat. The red Yums hat. That red little friggin' army uniform shirt you had on in the video with the red shoes. I want that shit. If you beat me, oh well, I get Soldier Boy step his shit up. But if you lose, I will clown on your ass for the rest of your life. You will never forget it. I'll make a video every week. Soldier Boy got 8 finally. Crying like a little bitch.
Alright, yo. Real talk, I respect Soldier Boy as a rapper.
No, I don't. I don't respect him. You need to step your rap.
He doing his thing as an entrepreneur.
You're doing your thing. You're doing your thing, but you need to step your rap up, man.
Yes. Oh God, please.
Try to flow a little bit better. Stop just making up words to get by.
Yeah, don't Lil Wayne. You can't Lil Wayne.
When the little kids grow up, you fucked up then, man. That's it.
Truth. And we all know how you got your money off of ringtones.
I know, cause I bought some of them motherfuckers.
This nigga's lame.
How about your album? The first one.
You bought the album for real?
Yeah.
You fucking pussy!
Hey.
It's one thing to buy ringtones and shit like...
Hey, it cost like $1, dog. I got a deal.
No, I got Crank That Soldier Boy. I got what else I got? I'm too fresh up in the hole. I be cranking.
See, this nigga buy ringtones.
Then I got You Gotta Step Like This to Be a Soldier.
Oh, my homegirl loves that song.
And I only got this shit because you weren't singing in the ringtone. That's why it's extra great.
Oh damn, but
Your verse, no offense, your verse is shit. Except for that one where he's like, my mom picked up the phone, she said, you got that girl sprung. She got me sprung too. She said, both of y'all dumb. That's the only gangster fucking song.
See this days.
Then there's...
Had to put the shades on. Oh, I look like RoboCop. Crank that RoboCop. Alright, so back to the subject. We're going to this bird walk video.
My bad, damn pop bottles.
Showbiz is showing out.
It's
not even time to show out yet. This nigga already showing out.
Y'all niggas ain't even seen my shirt yet, man.
That's just a surprise.
SOD Money Gang shirt ain't got shit on this shirt. You can find this shirt in any... Nigga, I'm gonna be straight up. I bought this shirt from Value Mall, man.
Hey, man, I ain't gonna lie. Value Mall got that shit. Yeah,
it's run by Asian people, man. They are not fucking... Pourquoi, them niggas, they got it.
They got that
I know I bought them Yank ringtones. That's getting silly, though.
Rob, is that a ringtones, nigga?
To the right.
Oh, yeah, Cash Camp. I got a question, y'all. Why
y'all crawling back to Soldier Boy? I mean...
When y'all started the crank movement.
I mean, really. Not even that. Yo, why the hell...
Y'all kept the crank movement going, man. Cause I supplied this niggas with dances.
Yeah, but no. Why the hell do y'all always talk shit about the nigga? Like, we seen Crank the Gang remix video. We seen it. Y'all beat down Superman.
How many people are gonna not realize that...
video already for remix?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's the same fucking video. It's just... They just...
Put the song over it?
Yeah. I mean,
oh, they didn't reshoot it?
No. I mean, it's not the remix, but you know what I mean. It's the... They remade the video. Yeah.
They remade it.
They beat the shit out of Superman, yet y'all still cool with Soldier Boy. Y'all hang at the nigga's house.
And then in one of y'all songs, matter of fact, the Yank remix, y'all say y'all don't Superman no more.
Yeah.
What's happening? Then my nigga Jip from Snap 101 was like, oh, them niggas say they can't stand on top. We don't Superman no more. What the fuck going on, man?
Yo, and also A-Rab, why? This nigga locked you out on a balcony and made you sing the song. Why? Yo, I had respect for you, man. So that shit.
You just a quiet nigga.
Yeah. Well, 5 minutes is almost up, so I'm about to bounce out. Peace. Alright, man. We at the Birdwalk video shoot.
Oh, we're not.
C-Mac, Bizzle.
No. Point the camera in. I have a new title.
Don't forget to film the people that's in the video so that people know they was actually here.
Yeah, exactly.
C-Mizzle.
Yeah.
C-Mizzle. Where the hell is it? It's C3. Where's C3 at? Hey, yo, 3. Hey, yo, 3, boy. What the hell you doing, boy? Okay, I can't get you off the chain for 4 minutes, man. What's good, man? Alright, like I said again, we got the Birdwalk video shoot. You know, people dancing and shit. It's crazy.
Hey, yo, Squid, get a shot in the camera.
Oh,
Superstar NTT.
Squid, Tip Squad, shout out to Snaps, man. Shout out to Fort Valley. Shout out to everybody down there, Pistol PIC, swag searching all the way. We're over at the social for a shoot.
Come on, real people in the video too.
Real people in the video too. Y'all want to get this screen time? What's going on YouTube?
Shout out to her, she's doing Birdwalk. Today's my birthday.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Squid! Everyone! Wish this nigga happy birthday. Go this nigga MySpace. Wish this nigga happy birthday. Can I do it with camera? Can I do it with camera? You should be sick! We will show you the routine, but we're gonna do it later. Thumbs up, soldier. Okay, well, go ahead, Cap.
Is that a shirt?
Yes.
Hey, they got shit for man.
It's a shirt. You know it's wrinkled.
It's wrinkly as shit.
I'm wearing the shirt because it's too wrinkled up. So
Go ahead, Cap, and go for it. Hood.
I'm done. I don't feel like that.
All right, go ahead, Cap.
Tip Squad.
Hey.
God. Are you serious?
Yes, they are.
Niggas didn't pay $2 million.
I heard a horse.
Hell yeah.
Is it the horse? Nah, dog, it ain't no horse. Did we really find Squid Wiggly over there? That's some sick shit. Hey, that's some girl we know from high school. Same that from high school. Clutch City. Hate that damn school. And I have no idea what the premise of this video shoot is anymore. Do you know what this is?
Can't show Bizzle a sunburn. That's the premise of the video.
C-Mac, what's the premise of this video? Anyone know what the premise of this video is?
Huh?
Huh?
What?
Parkour?
Y'all listen up.
I'll be there right. Daddy, do you want to play?
Can I play?